Hello everyone. I'm making an announcement that IG Apps now has a Discord server for viewers to join in and communicate. For those who don't know, Discord is an app for chatting and allows communication through text, images, links, attachments, and more. I created it so that you, the viewers and subscribers of IG Apps, can ask questions or discuss topics and have them answered by a group of fellow Android developers or me. Of late, the majority of my views have been coming from non-subscribed users, so I thought that a great way to keep everyone interconnected and in the loop with IG apps would be through this platform. You can see that I've created various channels along the side. There's one for asking questions, receiving up-to-date announcements about new tutorials and apps, making requests for future tutorials, and also for chatting about Android in general. So if you want to join this community of Android developers, feel free to use the invite code in the description of this video or scan the QR code you see on the screen. I look forward to hearing from you all, so please feel free to join, share it with friends, and subscribe.